Today we will explore the incredible benefits of using drones on your homestead. Stand by, y'all. Whether you're a seasoned homesteader or just starting, this video will provide you with practical tips and insights on incorporating drone technology into your daily homesteading operations. So let's get into it. The first benefit of using a drone on the homestead is aerial surveillance. Drones provide a bird's eye view of your property, allowing you to monitor your land, your crops, and livestock easily. This can help identify issues such as pest infestations, irrigation problems, or areas needing maintenance. Crop monitoring is the second benefit of using a drone on the homestead. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras can assess crop health by capturing images that reveal variations in color and growth. This helps in early detection of diseases or nutrient deficiencies, enabling timely interventions. Livestock management is the third benefit of using a drone on the homestead. Monitoring livestock from the air can help you keep track of their locations, their health, and their behavior. Drones can quickly cover large areas, making it easier to find and assess animals in remote locations. The fourth reason for using a drone on the homestead is safety and security. Drones can enhance security by allowing you to patrol your property and check for unauthorized activity from people or wildlife intrusions. This can be particularly useful in remote areas. Utilizing drones for hunting is the fifth benefit of using a drone on the homestead. Drones allow hunters the ability to scout large areas quickly and efficiently. Drones can cover vast terrains in a fraction of the time it would take on foot, helping hunters identify game trails, feeding areas, and potential hiding spots. This aerial perspective can also reveal patterns in animal movement. Land mapping and planning are the sixth reasons for using a drone on the homestead. Drones can create detailed maps of your homestead, which can be invaluable for planning new projects, managing land use, or even designing garden layouts. This data can be used to make informed decisions about planting and resource allocation. Resource management is the final reason to use a drone on a homestead. Drones can help monitor water sources such as ponds or streams, checking for changes in water levels or quality. They can also be used to assess wood lots for timber management or firewood harvesting. Incorporating drone technology into your homesteading toolbox can streamline many processes, improve monitoring capabilities, and ultimately enhance your overall productivity and lifestyle.